Hello friends. Welcome back to this latest podcast episode. I'm Maria, your host. Well, many of us are always in need for reliable and fast cab services from airports, offices or homes. Today's episode is about such a reliable and reputable cab service provider. They are Texas Yellow Cab and Checker Taxi Service, a fully licensed and insured yellow cab service provider. They are offering consistently prompt, secure and fast riding experience throughout Texas. They maintain their professionalism as they have proper care and maintenance plan for their vehicles. Their chief aim is to provide you comfort and high standard traveling throughout the ride at affordable prices. Whenever you need a cab from the airport, do contact them as they expertise on airport taxi transportation. Their drivers are dedicated to their job and their customers. Next time you want a cab ride, just give a call on 817-881-6863 or send emails at contact@bigtexascabs.com. You can also book your cab online through their online application form, Cab Service to DFW Airport. To know more, visit their website https://bigtexascabs.com/. I hope you would definitely book the cab from them next time you need it. This is all for today. I'll come back with another episode. Till then, stay tuned.